To make mistakes is a natural tendency of all human beings. This fact is proven by people who are still fallible even if they studied 4 years in renowned universities where they specialized on a particular course to be called experts or professionals. These people are expected to make no mistake during the practice of their professions. Yet, perfection and meeting the standard is not often the thing that happens, as professionals have to fight battles in courts. However, there is error and omission insurance that can compensate for the troubles that resulted from liabilities professionals made. Error insurance refers to the kind of insurance that provides financial aid to a person or company who fails to achieve the promised results during the practice of his profession or at the time of rendering service to clients. This kind of insurance provides for the financial aid needed by a professional or company who made liabilities. Error and omission insurance is simply a big help because liabilities may result to being sued in court, which can let professionals or companies spend large amount of money. Some cases filed may be groundless, but still they can make people spend their hard-earned cash. Errors or omissions can be called in many names. However, professional liability is the general term used regardless of professions. Error and omission can be availed of by doctors, lawyers, architects, accountants, engineers, wedding planners, and the like. The very professionals who need coverage from this type of insurance are those who render services for a fee. Companies that require E&A are also those who provide services to clients in exchange for payment. There is no standard set of policies for error and omission insurance. Since professionals have different exposures, the policies that suit for them vary too. The policies are set according to the claims made or reported at the time when the policies are at valid periods. Some set of claims made provide for the compensation for defense, while there are policies that do not provide compensation for penalties. In addition, the costs of error and omission insurance differ based on how much the said insurance will cover. This only means that people who plan to get this type of insurance must read thoroughly the E&A policies before making decisions in order to find the insurance firm that offers the greatest coverage. The error and omission insurance firms may differ in their set of policies. However, there are cases that most of them consider as exclusions. Errors and omissions done at the time before applying for insurance are not included in the coverage. The error and omissions made deliberately are not also part of the coverage. Liabilities which cause deaths are never covered too. It only means that not all error and omissions can be part of the coverage of error and omission insurance. The compensation provided by error and omission is very vital. Hence, if you are a professional who is capable of falling short of your profession, apply for E&A now.